Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nothing Phone 2A, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So today I'll present you two different ways of blocking the number, and let's start with the contacts, so you can block the number you've got currently saved. We have to open our contact list, find the contact you would like to edit or actually block, and tap on it. And now just tap on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block if you are ready. And for some reason I cannot do that, but no worries, I'm pretty sure that you will be able to block a number. You will see a specific characteristic icon next to it, and your device will confirm that it has been blocked successfully. Of course, you will be able to unblock it the same way, three-dot icon, and unblock numbers. The second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings. So we can do it in the contacts, recents, or favorites, it does not really matter. Then let's tap on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here let's tap on blocked numbers, and basically this is our blacklist, which is empty right now. So let's tap on add a number, and now we can freely enter the number. So obviously you do not have to have it saved. Let's tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on this blacklist. What is more, we can also block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher at the top, so thanks to which your device will block them. Of course, you can unblock it the same way or turn off this option the same way. And if you want to unblock the number which is currently on the blacklist, simply tap on this X button and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.